And then for the loan officers who are here, now with Angel Twin, to ask the second half of your question, now with Angel Twin, they can multiply themselves infinitely. So every loan officer will have their own twin. So imagine they will be on the website, like if they're partnered with a realtor, there's a listing, right? So their twin will be able to talk to customers as they look at the listing. Imagine an iPad or a big screen at an open house where you can talk to the twin of that loan officer, where a customer walking into the open house would talk to the twin of the loan officer. And if the realtor can have a twin as well, right? So when you go on the listing site, you'll have a twin of the loan officer, the twin of the realtor, and you could literally have a conference call with the AI twins of both of these people at the same time, a video call like we're doing right now. You can have a video call with their twins 24/7, right? And one of the things that we did recently a few months ago is the number one wholesale exec in the country, his name is Justin Simpers, right? He joined us about 4 or 5 months ago, and the twin was a big part of it. So we've already launched a twin for Justin Simpers. It's called AskSimpers.ai. It's a text-based twin at this point, and very soon, right, before the end of the year, he's going to have Justin Simpers' video interactive voice twin. So for Justin, it's like, I don't know everything. He's a very good AE. He knows the regs and guidelines inside out. I mean, he's the best I've seen, but he still gets stuff. And he's like, my twin is superhuman. It's my personality, everything I know, and it's got a superhuman brain. Right. It's like everyone can have a superhuman clone of themselves. Right. So that's the magic.
I want to make sure that people listening to this get the grasp, get the picture of this. You're talking about cloning someone's personality and looks, expression, the way they talk, and then you're adding the AngelAi brain with all its knowledge into the mix. I see both. I'm fine with Pavan nodding. That's good. But if I see Jennifer nodding, then I can feel even better about it because I know she's the one that made it all happen. So I want to have our listeners grab a hold of that. The future of lending and the future of mortgage loan originators is going to be going to this, where someone who can embrace this technology, not get afraid of it and try to run from it or ignore it or fear it, is going to be enhanced. I'm thinking of Jennifer Martinez, I'm glad she and her fiance are going to be at the Diwali party, get to meet her in person. Nancy out in California. I mean, many of the top retail loan originators are recognizing this. An increasing number of banks and originators. Quonic Bank, we just had them on the podcast not that long ago talking about how they threw away their entire tech stack to come all in on AngelAi. This is happening. It's happening. You've got to be patient, Pavan. You've got to be one of the most patient people on the planet, because you and Jennifer have been working on this for how many years?
For decades. 20 plus years. I mean, the core engine, and we talked about in the last podcast, the core engine in what you would call an LOS, but it's really an AI engine that manages loan transactions, right? I mean, that algorithm I designed the algorithm in the early 90s, and that algorithm is still the key part. That's what makes it all work. That's what makes 1,000 different conditions coming in at the same time, right? All get processed simultaneously. I think we just ran the numbers for October. The numbers October is we're getting 2 documents a second being dropped into AngelAi. 2 documents a second. Think about it.